everybody. My name's Luke Williford. I'm owner of the Wash House Laundromats, and I'm here today with Brian Grail of the Laundry Cares Foundation. Brian, will you tell us a little bit about the event today and also where Laundry Cares is going as an organization?
Yeah, I'm excited to be here, and the purpose of today's event is to give back to the community. So we have volunteers coming in from all over the place, and we're going to have some free food and some lunch today, but more importantly, what we're really starting to do with the Laundry Cares Foundation is concentrate on literacy.
This is kind of the vision of Laundry Cares, for every laundromat in the country to host an educational space that is partnered with a local entity so that we can be more to our communities than just the place where they go to wash.
From a laundry owner's perspective, it's a no-brainer. It's a good way to give back to the community. All you have to do is carve out a little bit of space in your store. So I encourage you guys to get connected if you're a laundry owner.
You can find out more logging into laundrycares.org. There's some videos there. You can see exactly how we are impacting. It's not only here in North Carolina, it's a national program they're going out with. So find out more. And more importantly, when you find out where there's another free laundry day, please, please, please get involved.